Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? Out here in the country, nice little Airbnb right here. Got yourself a nice little wood cabin right here, nice little Airbnb. And then what we got over there? Got ourselves some popping color right there. Look at that color right there. Nice little Airbnb. Allows dogs. So we got the dogs out here. Aspen's right in the backyard. Really, really nice. Big, beautiful deck over yonder here. Side entrance or main entrance, I guess you could say, whatever you want to call it right here. Got the pups running around. They do have a detached garage, which I think is closed off, not Airbnb compatible, I don't think, but big sprawling driveway here anyway. And look at that deck is what we were just on. Looking at that beautiful grove over yonder there. Nice little living room, wood fire right here. Look at that. You got the aspen trees out there, nice little living room. Table, kitchen over yonder, over here, mud room, down the hallways. You got bedroom 1, you got bedroom 2, bunk beds and a bed. You got your bathroom, and then the master over here as well with a big old nice large deck. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. A root beer. Just beautiful right here. Sometimes you got to get out. You got to get yourself in the woods. Oh, is that a bear right there? That's a bear right there. Morning from the Airbnb as lightly golden aspen leaves fall from the tree as the dogs are playing. Good girl. So you got this beautiful grove across the way over there, and then some nice ones in the sunlight here, but they are in full pop right now. We came here at the perfect time. I guess the dogs are ready to check out. We're not ready to check out, but the dogs are ready to check out. You driving? When are we leaving? Oh no, I was looking at my camera too. Four total. How you guys doing? Good, all right, good, thank you. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. Look at that view, baby. Woo-hoo. Deluxe. $1 million view right there. More than $1 million view. So we're about maybe a week, 5 days too late, or all this would be fire, but look at this view. Good night. Those are popping though. Around. Ayo! Look at that. Look at that gold. Yeah, buddy. Careful, little chunky monkey. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that was clean. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Tight left. Yeah, I almost choked up in that tree. Tight. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, look at this. Oh, that was killer. Oh, oh. Oh. Oh man, that was nice. That was nuts. Yeah, this, oh, skinny, careful. Skinny, skinny, still fiery, but whole little gold vein up there. Good night, that's gorgeous. I think that's where the trail goes. Oh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah. Come on with that hot sauce. Oh, you got the hot sauce. Look at that, Grover. Grover over. Storms are coming. Oh, that's fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's tight. I like it. Woo! Let's go, baby. Heck yeah. Tight trees, baby, tight trees. Oh, you can smell it. Smell it? That's the adventure you're calling. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That don't suck for a Wednesday. Write that down on a napkin. Publish that one, baby. It don't suck on a Wednesday. Oh yeah. All right, I think we got the skinny coming up. Oh, this is beauty. Oh, up, there we go. Hey. Oh man, it's hero dirt, except for the leaves. A little slippery on the leaves, but not bad. Oh yeah. Oh, look at this Burmy. Burmy. Oh, just throw a nice little tail whip right here. I mean, come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, whoa! Tight on that one. Put the foot down. We saved it. We saved it. Thank you, Lord. And then you push out into this valley. Oh, sorry, you're all muddy. Push out in this lovely valley. Oh, your boy is cooked. But at least we're finishing up with some downhill, but it's still got think. Oh man, my legs are so tired. Ooh, I'm tired now. Fun little section to end on though. Wish that was a little bit more perky with an espresso. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh man, I'm so cooked my brain can barely think right now. Oh boy. Oh, it feels good just to sit down. Where we come down normally, there's like it's a little rocky, like kind of ledge through there.
My boys.
Jojo!
I don't think so.
Look at that. Oh, yeah.
We're in the far east.
Ah, there they are. Looking good.
Oh yeah.
Fall ride. There's Bobby! Look at that. Look at that.
I'm feeling great.
Feeling frisky. Yeah, we sure darn did. Sure darn did. Jojo! Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.